trying to dry this out a tad. Finally, the sun is about to rise, which should warm up the job site a little bit, I'm hoping. This is the Beartooth Range right there, aka the Absarokas, however you want to pronounce it. Absaroka, Absorki, yada. Gotta stain all of these guys. That's gonna go up on the siding. Actually, we should check to make sure that this is the right. All right, here is all the sealed up cedar planks, 1 by 12 by 14s and 12s. We got to get some by 16s tomorrow. So use the scaffolding for some drying, and then did a whole bunch of a large sticker line here. So this is gonna be today we continue with the siding journey. So far so good in this little section because there's no obstacles like these guys, and then the top trims are the fun ones to pull off. Hopefully we could get this entire thing done today, maybe some other things as well.
Look at that shit.
Woo! Jeez, artistry of fitting.